Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, July 2nd. Today I'm going to read another essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it as always. Today's essay is titled To Witness and Hold. Just as the warmth of summer can make a cricket sing, the quality of being held enlivens the heart. We have been battered by modern times into obsessive problem solvers. But as life pares us down into only what is essential, it becomes clear that the deepest sufferings of heart and spirit cannot be solved, only witnessed and held. I have struggled with this constantly. Just recently, after being away for 2 weeks, I returned to a tender partner who lovingly uttered, "I really missed you." Instantly, I reacted by scanning for ways to solve the feeling, to limit my travel or call more often. I instantly tried to change my patterns of being away from the relationship rather than just feel the poignancy of being loved enough to be missed. Frequently, this reflex to solve, rescue, and fix removes us from the tenderness at hand. For often, intimacy arises not from any attempt to take the pain away, but from a living through together, not from a working out, but from a being with. Trust and closeness deepen from holding and being held, both emotionally and physically. I am learning, pain by pain and tension by tension, that after all my strategies fail, the strength of love waits in receiving and not negotiating, in accepting each other and not problem solving each other, in listening and affirming each other, not trying to change or fix those we love or ourselves. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, into your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remember that there is nothing to fix about your breathing. There is nothing to fix about you. There is nothing to fix about this moment. Everything is fine, just the way it is. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being, and allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to bring to mind the situation or friend or loved one that you would like to change. What is it they are experiencing that you think needs fixing, needs problem solving? How would you resolve their situation? Now breathing in deeply, accept that you actually cannot live their life for them. Instead, exhale slowly and be with your heart's knowledge of what it means to love this person. See if you can release your want to fix their pain. And just witness what they're going through. Simply hold them, pain and all, in your heart. And if you'd like, send the energy of loving kindness to this person. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel cared for, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now turn the energy of loving kindness inward. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. Remember, the deepest sufferings of heart and spirit cannot really be solved, only witnessed and held. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.